To remove the master window switch from the door panel, use a plastic prying tool. You can get this from oneaauto.com. You start by sliding the prying tool underneath the plastic, working it up. I'm going to take the other end and get over here. Just kind of slide it out of there. It has a hook on this end, so it has to lift up and then come backwards. You can see the hook. Unplug the connectors and push the locks in. There's the lock on this end right here. Disconnect it from this lock on the connector. Remove the master window switch. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver to remove the plastic trim cover on the inside of the door handle. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws behind the door handle. Hold the door handle open to access one of the screws. Let the door handle go and access the other screw. With the screws removed, hold the door handle open. Work it out of the trim panel. I have to push the material away from the switch. Now I have to disconnect the control rod. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver to pop it off of there. Just like that. Get that off. I can use the same screwdriver. Sort of pry it up and out. Now the handle will lift out. You have to feed it out one way. Disconnect the electrical connector, pushing the lock in. The door handle is removed. So remove the trim panel above the door panel using a plastic trim tool. Remove the Phillips head screw that's on the top. With the Phillips head screws removed, I need to pop the door panel off of the clips. There's some clips around the outer edge, and then lift it off of the edge of the door. So I'm going to use our plastic prying tool, work it underneath the edge. I'm actually going to use that plastic prying tool. These will all come in the set that you can get from oneaauto.com. Use our larger one. I need the smaller one to open up a gap there. Use the larger one and use it to pry against the door panel. Now I can lift it off of the edge of the door. I will feed these wires out of the back of the door panel. Then I'm going to unplug the door light. The door panel is removed. Power window control unit is held in with 2 Phillips head screws. Move the one on the top and the one on the bottom. Push the lock in on the connector. Unplug it. Reinstall it. Plug it in. Place it over the holes. Install our Phillips head screws. Now bring our door panel back up. Reconnect the light. I'm going to feed our window switch harness into the door panel. Hang the top of our door on the door panel. Make sure you get the unlock and lock button into the slot here. Be a little tricky. Sometimes you have to reach in with your hand and push it out. Just get it in there. Then you can slide this over and it's going to hang on the top of the door panel. And start pushing the clips back in. Reinstall the Phillips head screw to this bottom hole. Install the top Phillips head screw. These are just going in the plastic. As soon as I feel it get tight, I'm just going to stop. Take your electrical connector, plug it back into the door lock button. I'm going to slide this end in first, but at the same time I'm going to reach my finger in, pull this control rod out. It may help to spin this clip in this direction. So I'm going to hold it out and then try to... So I've got the chrome door handle held open. I'm going to push the control rod into the grommet like that. Then I'm going to take my flat-bladed screwdriver and just spin it around, because there is a locking tab that will go over it, just like that, so it's locked. Now I can push the handle back into the door. Before reinstalling the Phillips head screws for this door handle, stuff a rag in there in case you drop the screw, it doesn't go inside the door panel. Open this door handle up. Install the second Phillips head screw. Pull your rag out. Take the trim panel. It's got two tabs on the top, a single tab on the bottom. The two tabs go at the top. Slide in. Click in. Reinstall the window master switch. Pull the harness out of here. This large plug goes in the back of it. Lock that in. Push these in until they snap. You'll hear them lock. This hook needs to go under this part of the door. So I'm going to feed this in. Feed that in that way first. It's there. Just had to find where the clips go on the back.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.